How's it going, everyone? Mike Power here. We're back in the Type S Auto Garage today for another how-to, and we're going to be showing you how to change the fog lights on a 2016 Toyota Corolla. Now we have our Toyota Corolla on some car ramps. You don't necessarily need this. There is enough space for the next steps to change the fog light bulbs, but we want to make it a little bit easier on ourselves, and you guys can do the same thing if you have some of these along with you. Now for us to get access to the back of the fog light, we're going to have to remove this 110mm bolt, and that's going to go ahead and make it so we can pull this plastic out of the way and gain access to the back of the fog light. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to take this plastic piece and carefully move it out of the way. And once we do that, it will give us access to our fog light. Now that we have access to the back of our fog light, we're going to go ahead and get this bulb unplugged. Once we get unplugged, we're going to go ahead and spin this counterclockwise until it unlocks, comes out of the way. Then we'll take our H16, get lined up, and once it locks in with the mounting tab, we're going to go ahead and spin it clockwise until it's in the locked position. Then go ahead and finish it up by plugging it in. Now once you're done with this process, we're going to go ahead and just repeat it on the passenger side. And that's a wrap on this 2016 Toyota Corolla. We hope this video helped you get the job done on your own, and we'll see you on the next one.